every time we meet makes leaving you so much harder. So how are we to know that this just wasn't so? That we just have to